Go. Hi mga ading, we are here to conduct infomercial about food waste. I am here to para ipanood sa inyo yung ginawa naming video about doon. I am Mary Jean Taguba from Isabela State University, ang Adanan Campus, BZ3 Filipino Major.
And I'm Shane De La Cruz from BZ3
And Christine Pasqua from Isabela State University, ang Adanan Campus, classmate. So, may ipapanood akong video sa inyo about doon. So, ibibigay nyo lang yung opinion nyo or insight nyo about dito.
Is another person's will. According to our recent statistics, every 5 seconds, a child dies as a result of hunger. Someone who has nothing to eat anymore. How the harvesting is done. The farmers commit suicide when the harvest isn't proper. Sleeping on the roads with an empty stomach. Get the food easily, so you waste it without realizing for a moment. Let's make it a habit of giving the leftovers to the hunger every night before we fall asleep. Fight food waste!
Mula sa pinanood yung infomercial mga ading, ano yung masasabi o ano yung mga opinion ninyo about doon?
My name is Angelina Dato at bawal po magsayang ng pagkain.
Ako po ni Mika. na dapat kung kakain man tayo or kukuha tayo ng pagkain na dapat yung tapat lang at kaya natin umuwi.
My name is Catherine Ter. Kapag may nakitang bata nagsasaya ng pagkain, pagsabihan ito, yung nice.
Maraming salamat na sa ginugol niyong oras para dito.
Salamat.